Next game.
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UE against Adamson. Tuck in your shirt, sir, para maganda tingnan. Tuck in tayo. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UE against Adamson. First position na Adamson. Steal by Javier. Javier Minorias. First basket, first shot of Minorias. 2-0. Lee. To Manzano again. Too strong by Manzano. Rebound on UE. Now Minorias. Khalil by Lee. Look for Javier. Javier drive. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Manzano. First against Manzano. First team foul on Adamson. First basket, first shot coming from Javier. Foul. Basket counter. Basket count and one and foul on number 20.
Jeffrey.
On Jeffrey. First on Jeffrey. Second team foul on Adamson. It's now 4-0. Lee. Setting a play.
Box.
Pass to Manzano. Again, attempt. Back to Lee. Lee, kick out pass to Lee. Too strong. Rebound on Adamson. Rebound again. Pass to Jeffrey. Jeffrey drive. Nice defense on Sarmiento. Minorias to Javier. Javier. Coast to coast by Javier. In out. Rebound on Javier. Javier drive. Javier. Pow! Foul on number 11 on Manzano.
Second. Third.
Second on Manzano.
Third team.
Third team foul on Adamson.
Zero.
Now 5-0. 6-0. It's a 6-0 run coming from UE. Now Lee.
Sundan mo, Barry. Sundan mo.
Gonzalez. Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Nice fake by Jeffrey. 6-2. 4-point lead on UE.
Memorial.
Now Javier. Pass to Sarmiento. Javier again. Gonzalez. It's 3-on-1. Gonzalez. Stop. It's stepping on the line on Gonzalez. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Minorias. Looking for JD. Steal by Gonzalez. Now Manzano. Manzano drive. Yes, icy shot coming from Manzano. Now 6-4. 2-point lead on UE. Minorias. Guarded by Lee. Now JD. Back to Minorias. Javier. Short. Rebound on Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Manzano. Manzano again. Foul. Foul on number 25 on Minorias. First on Minorias. First team foul on Yui. Two free throw shot to Manzano. Basket first shot. 6-5. 1 point lead, Yui. Top rebound. Now Manzano take. Manzano too strong. Rebound. Top again by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Continues sa clock. Lee. Jeffrey. Block. It's 8 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Five.
Walang
Now
box.
set shot clock 14.
Daw, Roy,
Sana to
taas ka daw.
Jeffrey.
Taas ka lalim.
10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Holy! Foul on JD. Time out on Yui.
Sir, pasukatan ko ng number 12, ha? Saka yung ano, number 8. Kasi isa lang 5 red sa ano eh.
Number 8, bubuo na number 8. Tanaw number 8. Bubuo na number 8. Number 8, bubuo na. Ito na isa, number 12.
Tapos kayo eh.
Oh, number 8, bubuo.
Kaya lang, isa may 5 red. Kani, 12 yung katulong number 8.
Oh, parehas sa number 8.
5 red talaga na. As mo sa Jeffrey. Oh, kami, gambay, rabat kami. Mura ka naman. Number 8, number 12.
Rep.
Oh, number 25.
May papasukatan na sa number Rabuya.
Tatlo, 25 saka 12, number 8. Kasi isa lang 5 na yun eh.
Rabuya,
Dami
595.
na eh, wala. Oh, isa lang 5 na yun dapat eh. O, tino, pantahan ko.
Mark. Pasukatan nila si Tuan. Number 12.
Oh.
Oh, sige.
Jumper ready. Eight, 6.
Bigay! Tawid!
Minor. JD.
Too strong. Ibalan Gonzalez. Foul. Foul on Sarmiento. Second team foul on UE. First on Sarmiento.
Bola. Kabila kali.
Now Manzano. Bang! Basket count and one on Manzano.
Kanila, basket down. Baba na.
Baba! Warning lang, warning.
Warning on Minorias. Or discussion yan. 10-6. It's 4-point lead on Adamson.
Zero.
Top. Now Gonzalez. Looking for Manzano. In and out. Top. Rebound by Lee. Sarmiento. Minorias.
Sarmiento, Javier.
Javier. Big. Minorias. Open wide. Too strong. Top. JD. Yes, basket. Count and one on JD.
Baba kayo.
Foul on Jeffrey. Warning for penalty on Adamson.
Jeffrey second.
Second on Jeffrey.
Basket time out. Boss Mike, basket time out.
Basket time out there ba? Intercepted by Adamson. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez goes to goal. Short up. Sarmiento. Now Minarias. Javier. Hey, Javier. In and out again. Top by UE. Minarias. Foul.
Basic foul, basic foul.
Offensive foul on Minarias. Time out
Minorias second.
on Adamson. It's 10-8. 2-point lead on Adamson.
Anong sukat mo doon?
Kaya magsukat. Kaya na magsukat, hindi kami.
Pag kami. Wait na, wala bago.
Kaya magsukat, hindi kami. Nagaling mo sapatos mo. Sapatos.
Ikaw ba? Ano height mo?
5'9".
16.
Jay Babangay. Oh, so kininam! Ay,
Bakit may ganyan?
12. Kinito. Alcaran, hindi na lang si Alcaran.
Basta wala protesta. Basta wala protesta.
Malit tayo nito. Match na. Sino pa pasukatan?
12 tsaka 25.
Sino 25? Ayun, 12-25 lang. Siutip. Pasok yan, siutip. Pati ako.
5'9 ka ba?
Sila, posisyonin mo. Sulit. Ah.
Ano na yun? Diyan na kayo, diyan na kayo.
Nagpas? Pasok? Oh, pasok pa rin. Pasok. Hindi ko pasok. Pasok.
Rep.
Malaki lang katawan.
Pasok. Ha? Pasok 5-9. Isa pa isa. Oh, kisa pa nga. Oh, number 8 daw. Sige, number 8.
Sino? Ako?
Number 8.
Oh, sino ba? Yan, sige. Pagka lagpas lang ng 5
So, okay na tayo ha. Okay na tayo kay Kuan ha. Pasok ka na, sir. Oh, Navarro.
Dep.
Isang 5-9 lang tayo, tapos 5-8. Sige na, pasok na si Rabuya.
Yan, shot ko lang talaga yan.
5-8 tayo. Kasi pasok ko si Rabuya, wala tayong question dyan. Sir, pasukatan daw kasi, sir. Isang 5-9 lang tayo.
Isang 5'9 tapos 5'8 na mababa. Tama? Madulo na lang talaga. 5'2 lang ako.
Kasi pag next game na, wala na tayong kuhan na kasi may nasukatan na. Wala na tayong sukat-sukat dyan. Isang 5'9 tayo, tapos 5'8. Five eight tayo, 5'8, 5'9, 5'8.
Tama na, mala Diyos!
Bumiti ka rin. So, okay na tayo. Okay na tayo. Okay na?
Mula natin. Mula natin. Mula. Wag na. Maawa kayo. 4 lang.
It's UA ball, UA.
Si Mansana, suwakan nyo, 5'10 yan.
UA ball, UE.
Adamson.
Offensive foul on Minorias. Third team foul on UE. Eight, 10. It's 2-point lead on Adamson. Lee. Time to shoot. Gonzalez, Manzano. Short. Rebound by Javier.
Tignan nyo yung gitna nyo.
Now Minorias. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Minorias looking for JD. JD. In and out. Tap. Rebound on UE. JD. Traffic. Jump ball. It's Adamson ball. Blue ball. Blue.
Adamson sa ating bola.
Joshua, bola. Bola, bola.
Out of position tayo. Out of position. Adamson. Out of position tayo. Adamson. Now Lee.
Tignan nyo yung gitna nyo. Para may ma-open.
Time to shoot. Gonzalez. Javier again. Rebound. Looking for Minorias. Sarmiento. Foul. Foul on 0-0 Gonzalez. Penalty rep. Penalty. First on Gonzalez. Two minutes and 58 seconds. Tap by Javier. Yes, on Javier. Now 10 all. This is our first deadlock of the game. Now Lee. To Manzano. Back to Lee. Time to shoot. In and out. Now Jeffrey. Big. And then in and out. By Manzano. 40% shot clock. Manzano fake. Manzano drives short again. Rebound by Lee. Lee. Yes, on Lee. Now 12-10. JD. It's turnover on UE. 2 minutes and 16. Now Lee. Looking for Gonzalez. He's still now on Sarmiento. Baseball pass. Still again by Gonzalez. Now Gonzalez is 5-on-3. Lee. Open jumper. Air ball. Top. Manzano there. Oh, Manzano. It's 14-10. 4-point in the Hanson.
Kasi kayo nagmamadali.
1 minute and 46 seconds. Now Minorias.
Number 11.
Looking for Javier. Time to shoot. JD. Again short. Rebound on Jeffrey. 1 minute and 20. Now Manzano. Stop up. Pick. Manzano. Yes. On Manzano. 16 to 10. 6-point lead now. On Adamson. Minorias. Minorias attempt. Too strong. Rebound on Bautista. Bautista. Wow.
Baksak!
Foul on number 25 on Adamson. First on Sky. 11-16. 5-point lead on Adamson. 58 seconds. Now 12-16. It's 4-point lead Adamson.
Set lang.
Now Manzano.
Wag sundot, di pa lang.
Guarded by Minorias. Manzano. Move. Manzano. To Lili. Time to shoot. Foul. Foul on Sarmiento. Warning for penalty on UE. Manzano. In and out, top. Now Jeffrey. 14 seconds on clock. 14. Lee. 10 to shoot. Manzano. To JD. It's 3-on-1. JD. Nice pass to Sarmiento. Basket down and one. On Sarmiento. Foul on number 20 on Jeffrey.
23rd. Ay,
17 seconds, ha?
Third personal foul on Jeffrey.
Last shot kayo, last shot.
Bonus free throw on Sarmiento. Sky. 50 seconds. 10. 5 seconds. And for first quarter, our score is 16 against 14. 2-point lead on Adamson. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and
Kung wala mo. Aksyan. Aksyan kayo. Ang siyam kayo, sir. Siyam.
UE ball, UE. It's UE ball. Second quarter.
Mino. Jag, Al Navarro, number 8. Dato. Chinito.
Now Malajos.
19.
Libres. It's Adamson ball. Adamson.
Ito tanong. Listahan tayo.
Oh, what a move coming from Navarro. 8-14. It's 4-point lead now. Adamson. Russman. Nice move by Russman. Nice shot by Russman. Now 18-16. Back to 2-point lead on Adamson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On out. 21-16. 5-point lead. Back to Adamson. Libres to Russman. Looking for Malajos. Guarded by Datu. Malajos back. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Malajos. It's UE ball, 19-21. Only 2-point lead on you, Adamson. Malajos. Guarded by Kinichu. Libres. Again, same spot. Rebound by Mahilong. 40 seconds sa clock. Malajos again. In and out. Rebound on Kinichu. It's Kinichu 9. It's same ball. Kick ball by UE. It's 8 minutes and 10. Rebounding Jag. To Kinichu. Back to Jag. Same spot. Short. Block. Foul. Foul on Libres. First on Libres. First team foul against UE. 2 free throw shot coming from Tour. Now second free throw. 22 against 19. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Rushman, guarded by Jag. Intercepted by Navarro. Datu. To Navarro. Baseball pass. Stop by... Rushman. Intercepted. Now Rushman, guarded by Datu. 1-1 by Tour. Rushman, open jump. In and out. Top. It's Kinichu. Now Kinichu. Nice pass outside to Tour. It's Tour number again. On Adamson. 7 minutes and 19. Only 3-point lead on Adamson. Libres to Rushman. Malajos. Guarded by Datu. Malajos. Open job. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. Kinichu. Foul. Foul on number 28. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Foul. Second team foul on UE. Foul on 24 again. Judge, interceptor, Rushman. It's 2-1. Rushman goes to goes. In and out. Mahilong, fake. Mahilong drive, Mahilong guarded. It's struggling violation against Mahilong.
Meron yung dati. Ano si dati?
5 minutes and...
Ito si Navarro. Kaya kami mo. Navarro ka.
Cambio dong, cambio.
Cambio apelido?
No, cambio apelido.
Now Kinichu. Jag. Back to Kinichu. Drive. Left-handed drive. Fake. Jag again. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Malajos. Third on UE. First personal foul against Malajos. Six minutes and 5 seconds. Now 23 to 22, 1-point lead on UE. Adamson.
Toyok mula.
Now Rushman. Libres. Studio. It's blue ball. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Kinichu. Ball by Jag. Guarded by Mahilong. Foul. Foul on Mahilong. Warning for penalty on UE. Inbounding Kinichu. Tor. Pass to Navarro. Guarded by 2. Again, foul on the studio. Penalty, direct penalty. Third personal foul on number 74 on the studio. It's 5 minutes and 14.
Saka sa mga tatlo na bawas. Bawas na
Rebound on Rosman. A foul. Foul on Navarro. First against Navarro. First team foul on Adamson. It's 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Now Malajos, a 3-point shot earlier. Now Malajos guarded by Kinichu. Steal by Kinichu. Now 10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. Now 25-23, 2-point lead on UE.
Binubuena siya.
Oh, time out on UE. Now 25 all. It's 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Second quarter.
Pahinga.
Doon pa mga po. Dito sa video.
Inom ka?
And we'd like to thank our referee for today. It's referee Manuel and referee Apatan. It's a tied ball game, 25 all. Now Rushman. Rushman, jumper, too strong. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro, baseball pass to Kinichu. 1-1. Kinichu stop, fake. Kinichu foul. Foul on Rushman. First on Rushman. Penalty. Four minutes and 16. It's 25 all. Now 26-25, 1 point lead on Adamson. Now Rushman. Still by Datu. Kinichu. Tor, wala naman mahilog. Tor that, is strong. Rebound by the studio. Oh, John. Now Rushman. Libres. Top. Now Kinichu. It's 3-1. Kinichu drive. Kinichu pass. Side step. Pass to Datu. Foul. Foul again on number 74 on the studio. Fourth on the studio. Warning for the studio. Two free throw shot from Datu. Three minutes and 39 seconds. Foul. Osmalet. Foul on number 26 on Mahilum. Penalty. Second on Mahilum. Still our score 26-25.
Jumper, ha?
Only 1 point lead on Adamson.
Ayun na.
Now 27-25. Basket not counted by Tour. It's 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Bigay!
26 against 25. Now Malajos, same spot, Malajos, short. Rebound on Libres. Malajos, stop up, corner pocket up, rebound on 10 to shoot, 10. Rosman, Libres, 3-second violation on the studio, 3 minutes. Rosman, intercept. Rosman, side step, drive, Rosman, in the top, play Libres. Libres, block by Navarro. Rosman, pass to Tor, it's 1-2, 2-1, Tor, drive, Tor, pass to Jag. Yes, so Jag. 28-25, 3-point lead on Adamson. Bang! Rosman. 28-27. Wow. Foul on Malajos. Second personal foul against Malajos.
Kaya pa na hindi hihina. Sugayo. Tama na yung tres mo doon.
It's 2 minutes and 18.
Wala yan, wala yan. Wala yan.
Now 29 against 27. 2-point lead on Adamson. Top, Libres. It's troubling violation, troubling. 2 minutes. Kinichu. Nice take. Black by Libres. Wow. Bang. The veteran Navarro. Basket count. All on number 7. $27 on Libres. Second on Libres.
Sa'yo eh. Tingnan mo siya nito. Tingnan mo record nito.
32 against 27. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now 5-point lead on Adamson. Mahilog. Nice defense again on Kinichu. Now Tor, gotta be Malajos. It's traveling violation. Nice defense on Malajos. It's 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Bola, Tur.
Now Mahilog. Libres. Rosman. Black. Bajag. Kinichu. Kanda by Rosman. Kinichu goes to post. Blocked by Mahilog. Now Rosman. 2-1. Stop up Rosman. In and out. Jag. Jag to Kinichu. Drive. Kinichu side step foul.
Sino?
38 seconds.
Ayos dong.
33 against 27. Now 6-point lead on Adamson. $34, 27. 7-point lead now, Adamson. Libres. Top. Oh, Rosman rebound. Wow! Alam mo ba, Rosman? Now 9 to 34, 16 seconds. 10. Navarro. Yes, on Navarro. And now for second quarter score, 36 against the 29.
Yan na kayo.
Hindi na, ikaw na ako.
Hindi, tumakot ko.
Kaya dati mo sa dati.
Busy ko ano siya.
Huwag mo ituro. Hindi pangit yan.
Wala, news. At game na eh? First, second game ato. No, bawas-bawas niyo, bawas-bawas. Bawas-bawas. Ilang, bawas-bawas. Padungga lang ako, padungga lang sila, padungga. Padungga ba, bawas-bawas. Bawas tayo konti. Bawas-bawas.
Yan, ang gusto namin.
Stop. Kota tayo. Bawas muna, saglit. Bawas muna. Balance natin.
Ngayon lang pinatating kasi magpapasok sila kanina.
Magkano ang kota mo? Alin? Kota ko. 3,000. 13.
Kasama na Jessie.
Sino? Mala Diyos lang ang nagbigay.
Tapos, single dad Robin ako sa 18 na rin. Kaya nga dito sa Rubinet dahil lagi dito kasi 18 kaya rin siya dito.
Third quarter, Adamson ball, Adamson.
95 lang. Sino? Sinaman ko na ka naman.
It's third quarter.
Next week.
Bola natin! Sa kanila sa
Dalawa lang, wala, no? Hindi na kalaro, dalawa lang.
Now, Yo-Yo Man in the ballgame. Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. Raboya. Too strong. Rebound on Javier. Baseball pass. Eastern serve ngayon by Yo-Yo Man. It's 3-2. Yo-Yo Man. Pass to short by Abdulaziz. Now, Bautista. Bautista, the outside fake to Sarmiento. Looking for Javier, drive, shoot, short, tap. Now Sarmiento.
Tira!
10 to shoot.
Nice pass!
Bang! Bang! On Cartagena, it's 32-36. 4-point lead now on Adamson. Alcala to Raboya, intercept again by Javier. Now UE, it's 36-32. Back to Cartagena, saves back, fake. Cartagena, short, top. Cartagena again. Bang! On Cartagena. Foul! Foul on number 21 on UE. First on UE. First personal foul on number 21.
31.
In and out, top. Raboya. Block. Foul. Responded. Foul on both Sarmento. Second team foul on UE.
Blue.
Ayaw na! Hoy! Ayaw na kay... Kargado na!
Lang ko pa.
Foul on Raboya.
Wow.
In and out again by Concepcion. Pass to Raboya. It's 2-1. Nice move by Raboya. Alcala. Javier. What a move coming from Alcala. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Cartagena. Looking for Rentor. Carbe Alcala. Steal on Adamson. Now Alcala top na Rentor. It's Rentor. Looking for Bautista. Javier. Whoa! What a move by Javier. Now 36 all. Now Alcala. Looking for Concepcion. Guardia Meritor. Escape. Concepcion. Short. Sarmento. Now Javier. Pass to Cartagena. In and out. Bautista. Javier. It's Adamson ball. Adamson. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Whoa! One move. 38 against the 36.
Depensa.
2-point lead back to Adamson. Rentor. Cartagena. Nice steal again by Alcala. Alcala to Concepcion. Alcala is batting by 2. Alcala 1-1 by Cartagena. Looking for Concepcion. Concepcion escape. Concepcion. Yes, time out. On Iwi, it's 40 against the 36. It's 4-point lead now on Adamson.
Kasi mga tanongin,
Hindi ko na naman ka. Pupunta ko pa doon.
tingnan mo paglapit ko. Kung malapog na, huwag mo. Malapit kasi.
6 minutes and 19 seconds. And our next game, it's UST against Lasal. Rentor to Bautista.
Balik kita, balik.
Javier. Drive. Nice move by Javier. In and out again. Rebound by Raboya. Raboya to Alcala. Back to Raboya. Raboya move. Raboya!
Alcala, diretso mo yun.
36-42. Back to 6-point lead na Adamson. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, Rentor. Nice move. Cartagena. Pay. Cartagena. Short. Rebound on the assist. Raboya. Concepcion. It's red ball. UE ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's all by Adamson. 48 against the 36. Rentor. Bautista. Now Javier. Nice move by Javier. Time out. On Adamson. It's 42 to 38. 4-point lead on Adamson. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Oro Sports, Basketballista, and Rock Bank Abu Dhabi. Five minutes and 17 seconds. Now Alcala, it's 42-38. Alcala. Time to shoot. Whoa! Nice move for big man. Raboya, it's 44-38. Back to 6-point lead at Adamson. Bautista. Back to Ritor to Cartagena. Cartagena, favorite shot, short. Rebound on Bautista. Whoa! Pull up back by Bautista. Now 44-40. Back to 4-point lead on Adamson. Raboya, guarded by Sarmiento. Raboya, strong home by Raboya.
Gol! Idol, sa baba ka na!
46.
Bernardes!
40. Rentor. 1-1 by Alcala. Rentor, skate. Now Bautista, pass, foul. Foul on number 14 on Concepcion. First on Concepcion. First team foul on Adamson. Now rebound on Concepcion. Steal by Rentor. Rentor to Javier. Nice defense of Bermudez. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Only 6-point lead on Adamson. Now Alcala. Raboya. Black. Now Bautista. Same ball. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Alcala. Still by Bautista. Rentor. Rentor, all in one. Stepping on the line of Rentor. 3 minutes and 10. Alcala.
Aywa.
Rebound on Bautista. Now Rentor, 1-1 by Rentor. Bow! Basket kahalan 1 ng Rentor. Foul on Abdulaziz. First on Abdulaziz. Second team foul on Adamson. Now 43-46 is 3-point lead on Adamson. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Time to shoot. Yes, on Bermudez. Coming front pass from Concepcion. Sarmiento. Now Bautista. Rebound again by Bautista. Javier. Bermudez. Still by Rentor. Yes, on Javier. Unselfish pass coming from you. It's 48-45. 3-point lead on Adamson. Fourteen to shoot. 1 minute and 40. Short, Raboya. It's 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Followin natin. Hey.
7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Time.
Aywa.
Javier. Looking for Bautista. Short. Yes, on Bautista. It's 47-48. 1-point lead on Adamson. Too strong by Raboya. 1 minute. Black foul. Foul on number 12. On Raboya. First on Raboya, third on Adamson. 56 seconds, 56.
Reserve sa
Basket substitution pero.
Ayun, seconds na lang. Eh, pasap na. Wala ni hangin. Maunsa pa na yan. Ano na kayo?
May wala pa.
Substitution.
Basket sub.
counted yan.
Hindi namin na substitution eh.
Sub. 56 seconds. Ang Concepcion. 45 seconds. 40 to shoot. Raboya. Wow! Raboya!
Last shot.
Javier. Galway Alcala. It's 30 seconds. 30. Wow! Bermúdez!
Gawag.
Foul on si Ray. Ito na Alcala. Warning for penalty on Adamson. 13 seconds.
Oh, last shot. Tayo.
10.
Venga!
Ay nga!
Oh! Sarmento! And of the third quarter, our score 52 against 49. Let's mount up. Foul on number 21 on the door.
Renter second.
Second on the door. Good free throw shot coming from Alcala.
Kapisa ka na lang dyan. Iwan ko na lang.
Walang bantayan.
Isa pa!
Isa pa daw. Uy!
Ay nga!
Isa. 53-49, apat lang. Last. 5, gawin mong 5.
Yoyo mo.
Wala.
It's 53-49 and on the third quarter, all by Adamson. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's UE ball, UE.
Report din sila kung may isang points lang.
Yung didepensa.
It's UE ball, last quarter.
Sulit na yan. Sulit yan. Depensa lang, idol. Depensa lang.
Paglaro kayo. Wala na.
5-second violation, 5 seconds.
Bilang.
At kaya.
Pasukin mo si Jeffrey. Masik mo yan.
Still on Mahilong. Ang Maladyos. It's foul on Libres. First against UE. First on Libres. Third on Libres. Now Kirichu. Rebound ng Mahilong. Foul. Foul on number 11 ng Manzano.
11:27.
Ano naman siya? 7 pound. 11.
First on Adamson.
11 sabi niya.
7 pound.
Manzano, third.
Third on Manzano. Javier. Yes, on Javier. Now 53 to 51, 2-point lead at Adamson. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Kinichu drive. Foul. Basket count. And 1 against Kinichu. Foul on Javier. Second team foul on UE.
Javier first.
First against Javier. Monostro. Free throw of Kinichu. Now Libres. Looking for Minorias. Malajos. We're ball again on Malajos. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Kinichu. Pass. It's turnover again on Adamson. 55 to 51. Only 4-point lead on Adamson. Minorias to Malajos. Malajos, guarded by Gonzalez. Still on Manzano. Manzano all the way. Manzano. Time out. On UE, it's 57 against 51. All by Adamson. Warning on bench on Adamson.
Mainit na? Kalimutan yung rules.
Javier de Bautista. Minorias. It's Adamson ball, Adamson.
Uli!
Baseball pass. Oh! Manzano! Now Bautista. Libres out. Sarmento. Looking for Javier. Too strong. Top. Now Traxman.
Good.
14 to shoot. Minorias now 53 to 57. It's 4-point lead on Adamson. Now Kinichu guarded by Rasman. Kinichu. 1-1 by Rasman. Now Kinichu. It's backing violation. Backing violation. Turnover on Adamson. 6 minutes. Now Minorias, Bautista, Sarmento, Isitay, 14 to shoot, Javier, back to Bautista, short, now Minorias, now intercepted by Jag to Kinichu 1-1 fake, Kinichu foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 25 of Minorias. Substitution term. Sabrat.
Minorias third.
Substitution term. Gonzalez out. Technical free throw of Kinichu. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 58 against the 53. 9-point lead on Adamson.
Yan na naman kayo dalawa. Mag-actionan kayo.
Now Navarro. 14 to shoot. Navarro. Foul on Bautista. 13 foul on UE.
Ayun, Bautista.
Bautista 11. 7.
Tak, may Manzano. 40 seconds sa clock. Manzano. Bautista. It's red ball. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 58 against the 53. Only 5-point lead on Adamson. Intercepted by Kinichu. It's 2-1. Kinichu stop. Kinichu drive. Yes, and Kinichu.
Isa na lang timeout niya.
60 against 53. Kinichu again. Stop, pump, twirl. Kinichu, black, stop. Manzano, time out. On UE, it's 62 against the 53. 9-point lead on Adamson. Four minutes and 20 seconds.
Bayad? Wala. Olivera.
It's all Adamson.
Jeffrey Quinito, Montano, Concepcion.
Now, mga Diyos. Sarmento.
Amen, amen, amen. Look.
It's blue ball, blue. Four minutes.
Navarro.
Navarro. Guarded by Rasman. Kinichu. It's circle. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Only 62. Now Rasman. Drive. Close to close. Coming with Navarro. Rasman again on Rasman. 55 to 62. 7-point lead on Adamson. Yes, nice move. Coming from Jeffrey. 64 to 55. Rasman. Nice fake. Outside. Sarmento. Substitution trap, sub rep. Ansano out. 64 against 57. Now Rasman, guarded by Alcala. Rasman. Rasman skate. Rasman side to Sarmento. Sarmento. Now Kinichu. 1-on-1. Kinichu drive. Kinichu hangsan on Kinichu. 66 against the 57. Back to 9-point lead on Adamson. Rasman. Out and out. Javier. It's up to the sub rep. Two minutes and 20.
Meron pa isa.
Alon Javier. Penalty.
Javier second.
Second on Javier.
Basta daw may highlight, hindi na masalituin na. Oo, tama. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ano oras na? 2 minutes pa lang, 10.
67-57. It's all by Adamson. Rushman. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Oro Sports, Kinichu, Basketballista. Now Rosman. Card by Alcala. Rosman. Card escape now to Kinichu. Kinichu now. It's Surabaya. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Playing coach.
Bautista. Now nice pass. Too strong by Sarmiento. 1 minute and 20.
Time out, Dato. 1 minute, time out.
Rapoya to Jeffrey. Jeffrey, yes on Jeffrey.
Time out now.
1 minute and 10. Time out against Adamson. It's 69 against the 57. 12-point lead on Adamson.
Yan mo nasiraan. Yung tukuran. Hawa ka sana doon.
Story. Rebound, ikot. Rebound, ikot.
Ganun pa rin.
1 minute and 7 seconds.
Marky, ah.
50 seconds. 40 to shoot.
Sige. Bang, bang.
Estudio. Minorias. Cartagena block by Jack Lee. 35 seconds.
Ang bago talaga ni Carter.
Fake. Basket count ng Juan Manzano. Foul on Cartagena. Penalty net out.
Cartagena first.
First on Cartagena. 25 seconds. Now Minorias.
Honest defense na lang.
Javier. 15 seconds. It's 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 5,